Mastering quantifiers: several, a few, and a couple of. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're delving into an exciting topic: counting and quantifiers. We'll be focusing on three commonly used terms: several, a few, and a couple of. These quantifiers can be tricky for many, but by the end of this video, you'll be using them like a pro. Quantifiers are words we use to denote quantity. We use several, a few, and a couple of when we want to describe an unspecified small number. Several usually refers to more than two but not many. For example, I have visited several countries in Europe. A few means a small number, probably more than two, but not a large number. For example, I have a few apples in my bag. A couple of generally means two, or sometimes, in informal English, a small number. For example, I'll be there in a couple of minutes. Now that we understand what these quantifiers mean, let's practice using them in sentences. 1. Several. 2. There are several books on the shelf that I want to read. 3. She has several questions about the lecture. 4. A few. 5. I need a few more minutes to finish this task. 6. We still have a few cookies left from the party. 7. A couple of. 8. I saw a couple of deer in the forest this morning. 9. He'll be back in a couple of days. Remember, practicing with these sentences will help you get comfortable with using these quantifiers in your everyday English conversations. Now it's your turn to create sentences using several, a few, and a couple of. Try to come up with 1 or 2 sentences for each of these terms. You can write about anything: your day, your family, your hobbies, or your dreams. And there you have it. That's our quick guide to understanding and using several, a few, and a couple of. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing, and you'll soon find these terms slipping naturally into your everyday English. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next lesson.